So this one here this one is tastes like celery. It's an apple. It tastes like celery.
Oh, I think I know this.
It's lychee.
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 Yeah, this is lovely.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, this
Thailand lychee.
Beautiful. Give me some.
this is nice. This yes, we'll have some of this.
This one.
That's
This one is better. You want this one?
Yes. How much is
How much?
No. If we buy, how much?
You want to how many gram? 500 gram,
Yes.
1 kilo, 500 gram?
Yeah.
1 kilo, 2 kilo.
How many do we get? This is what we
I don't
want.
know, checking in how
Okay.
many pieces also.
Look, guys, on the floor there. This one on the floor. What do you call it?
What is?
The name is breadfruit.
Jackfruit, yeah?
Breadfruit.
Jackfruit, yes.
Breadfruit there on the floor as well.
Not grapefruit.
No, no.
That's enough.
Breadfruit. You see, you got avocado, you got melon.
That is avocado. Avocado eating
The bananas, look at the bananas, people. Green and yellow bananas.
fruit. Very good
Oh, okay, yes.
Passion fruit, give you passion.
How the different one?
You want this one?
Yeah. No, I don't like that. I like that
Can it
though.
special means?
We'll have that.
Here. One minute. Like anything?
Nice stuff here.
Dreams Chill Restaurant, seafood. Hey, that's not him. I know him, that. This one. When you say him, but I'm wearing Jamaica shirt right now, guys. So when I get your turn back, you're gonna see what me look like. So my shirt that Jamaica, so that's what women tell me say we look like to see a bugs. I think I'm a better looking though, huh? What you say? Up to the time. What's the name of your stall? What's the name of your shop? This shop? Kiwi. Huh? Mishan the fruit shop. That's where you gotta come, guys. When you come into Sri Lanka, you come right at the main road, look. You cross over the railway bridge, make sure the train don't hit you, you know. And you come right here on the left hand side, Mishan the grocery shop. Passion fruit we are eating now. They might give you a sample of everything.
That is what we've got to do.
Very good food.
Oh my
not
God.
season. Season is cheap and now
Is it a plum?
expensive.
Mango string.
Mango steam. Inside have like a white, you know the onion like this?
Okay.
White one.
Oh, okay.
Very good taste.
Just that one. We'll have just that. Just those.
You want?
Just no. Just the ones we have. No. Thank you. I don't like this.
What's the other inside?
This one. Only this?
Yes.
1,500.
Okay.
Hey, listen, the price have gone up on the thing, man. Look, 1,500. In Jamaica, when I pay them price for them thing, they grow them. The black, hey,
1 minute.
1,500, you know, people. And I get pull out the wall of the money, make the people them see say you reach the blood clot.
We've got that much.
Yeah, man, you have 5,000. Let's get a 5,000 and make I give you some change.
1,000.
There you go, 500 pound.
That's 1,000. 1 minute.
Yeah, you saw the money fat, boy, money enough. I'm telling you people. Pineapple pile up as well, guys. Lemon, limes. This shop is awesome. Make sure you come down when you come into
Sri Lanka.
Bentota.
yeah.
This is directly. You come over the little railway bridge
Thank you.
or little railway track.
Oh, wait a minute.
Just ask them for the market, they'll take you.
Oh.
Aye, you see that? We love that. We
Thank
love
you,
that.
thank you.
That was just testing, you know. We was testing you to see if you was truthful.
If you're honest.
Are you truthful? Thank you. Thank you, my brother. Give thanks, man.
Do you like to good t-shirt, Adidas?
You guys.
Bye.
See you next time.
Thank you very much.
Ciao.
Okay.
And you see that? I'm telling you, just turn over left and just come around here, sir. Bam. Man, the track, baby. When I want an accident, people just walking in the road, they don't care. Look, they walk on the track. Boy, tracking. I'm still on the tour, you know, because we're still talking about the fruit and the vegetables that they have in this beautiful country, Sri Lanka. They have everything, man. Breadfruit, everything, avocado, everything. Organic, don't panic. Everything. I got it, sorry.
You like?
I want some. Give me some thick. I want some thick, eh? Oh, I lose my brain. I want some, give me some thick. Zombie style, huh? You guys, they got all of these things. This one is Linus Associates, right? They really got some good stuff. Breadfruit, mangoes, bananas, melon, pineapple. Show me the best thing we have there. Look at the melon them. Boy, I tell you. Jamaica. The best in the world. They got some lychee, kneesberry, everything out there. Grapes, oranges, melons, mango. Everything is here, guys. So when you come to Sri Lanka, just come on the street and come and check out the man them. Yeah? Baby bar? What a cocoa?
Just Sri Lanka. Good mango.
They should have given you a little piece of mango. Darling, come. Come to you. Yes, sir. Everybody call outfit. Everybody want a piece of the money, the breadfruit, the mango, the beans, the pineapple, the kneesberry, the oranges, the plum, cucumber, susumba, peas, jeez, cauliflowers, potatoes, onions. Everything is there. Yams, dasheen, don't dasheen the dasheen. Cassava, yes, everything is there, baby. Look on the strip, look on the strip. Look on the strip, look on the strip. Boy, look on the strip, look on the strip. Aye. Around here, look. Big foot in the window. Yeah, fresh chicken. Eggs and everything.